Mathematic 3. The value of a digit in a 4-digit number. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to determine the value of a digit in a 4-digit number. What number do we have on the chart? It is 439. How many digits does 439 have? 3 digits. What are they? Which are 4, 3, and 9? What is the place value of 4? It is hundreds. What is its value? Its value is 400. Why? The digit 4 is in the hundreds place, which means 4 hundreds or 400. Place value of 4. Hundreds. Value of 4? 400. What is the place value of 3? It is tens. What is its value? Its value is 30. Why? The digit 3 is in the tens place, which means 3 tens are 30. Place value of 3. Tens. Value of 3. 30. What is the place value of 9? It is ones. What is its value? Its value is 9. Why? The digit 9 is in the ones place, which means 9 ones are 9. Place value of 9. Ones. Value of 9. 9. The place value of a digit refers to the position of the digit in the number. The value of the digit is the actual value of the digit in the number, determined by the digit's place value. What number do we have on the chart? It is 5708. How many digits does 5708 have? What are they? The number 5708 has 4 digits, which are 5, 7, 0, and 8. What is the place value of 5? What is its value? Its value is 5,000. Why? The digit 5 is in the thousands place, which means 5 thousands. Place value of 5. Thousands. Value of 5. 5,000. What is the place value of 7? It is hundreds. What is its value? Its value is 700. Why? The digit 7 is in the hundreds place, which means 7 hundreds or 700. Place value of 7. Hundreds. Value of 7. 700. What is the place value of 0? It is tens. What is its value? Its value is 0. Why? The digit 0 means 0 tens or 0. Place value of 0. Tens. Value of 0. 0. What is the place value of 8? It is ones. What is its value? Its value is 8. Why? The digit 8 is in the ones place, which means 8 ones or 8. Place value of 8. Ones. Value of 8. 8. Form the largest, greatest, and smallest, least numbers possible using the digits 2, 6, 5, and 8. Answers. Largest 8,652. Smallest 2,568. To form the largest, greatest number is to arrange the digits of the 4-digit number from largest to smallest. For example, with the digits 2, 6, 5, and 8, arranging them as 8,652 gives the largest number. To form the smallest, least number, arrange the digits in ascending order. Using the same digits, arranging them as 2,568 yields the smallest number.